is the water. It freezes your already cold mind, already cold, cold mind. Death is at your doorstep, and it will steal your innocence, but it will not steal your substance. You are not alone in this. You are not alone in this. As brothers we will stand and we'll hold your hand. Hold your hand. You are the mother of your baby child, the one to whom you gave life. And you have your choices, and these are what make man great. His ladder to the stars. You are not alone in this. You are not alone in this. As brothers we will stand and we'll hold your